Hey there, welcome everyone. I am TheMadVari, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro. Look at that, beautiful. I have had an 8 Plus for the longest time, and it served me well, and it's done a great job. But if I'm going to pursue this content stuff, I have to reinvest in all the things that I do. And you know what? One of the biggest things is getting that camera quality over things. So this will help with the old TikTok account. If you're here from TikTok, you saw my video. You've already seen the camera comparison that should be going up soon. Before I haven't done the camera comparison yet. It's still in the box, sealed and delivered, which I have not got a new iPhone box forever too. So let's go ahead and got peely bits now instead of tape. So let's just yeah. So, a few things to note. And you know what? I probably should have pulled this up beforehand because iPhone 13 Pro specs. Let's do this. Let's talk about the phone before I open it. Well, not before I open it. Tech specs. So the Pro, from the looks of it, has... Oh no, that's the Pro Max. So the Pro itself has a 6.1 inch diameter screen. And let's put that up real quick. Look at that. That's in the box right there. That's how the box looks, I guess. Came straight up. Nice little pull tab to get it out. Ooh, this thing's got actually a little bit of weight to it, you know? Oh, that's neat. It comes with a front display, which I'm not sure the camera's going to focus on so you guys can see, but it's got telling you what each button does. Oh my god. This thing is thick. Look at that. Compared to one of my fingies. Thick boy. Oh, gotta get that on camera, right? That's what everyone's here for, right? Nice. Does it have power to turn on? It does! Whoa, look at that. It came powered. So already, this thing has got some much differences to this. Back cameras, I mean, look at that. Look at the difference already. Oh, it's doing the hello screen in cursive. It's almost got a full battery. Wow. What is this? Oh, SIM card tool. Got it. Lovely, beautiful little iPhone sticker there. Cool, 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 cool. And this actually has lightning cable capability still. Oh, I thought they switched over to purely... Oh, it's a USB-C brick, though. Okay. So the brick charger is a USB-C. The phone itself is still a lightning adapter. Is there anything else in this case? Is that it? Because I know they stopped coming with headphones. So yeah, I mean, there you go. It's already turned on, doing everything again. This thing weighs more than this thing with the case on. It's got some oomph behind it, huh? English, United States. There you go. Set up new iPhone, obviously. They have the wonderful just hello. Hello. Oh my god, the screen almost looked like paper there. Continue. There it goes. Hold up your new iPhone to the camera. There's that lovely little screen there. Enter passcode. Oh no, what's my passcode? There it is. Hey, I remembered it. Probably. Setting up. There you go. You get your nice little setup going. Look at that. Look at the thickness. This is with case. This is a big case too. This is not a normal case. This is a Redbubble case, which you can see is already cracked and damaged and everything. Another reason. Setup displays. Alright. While that transfers over, we're going to let that spin over. Let's see. Go back to these specs. So this one has a 6.1 inch diagonal all-screen OLED display. explains why I thought it looked like paper. Pro motion technology with adaptive refresh rates up to 120 hertz. HDR display, True Tone, wide color P3, haptic touch, 2000 to 1 contrast ratio, 1000 nits max brightness. It actually wants my face ID. Let's do this. I'll do a face ID. Move my phone a little lower. Nice little spin circle. Okay, continue. So ridiculous. Continue. Face ID is now set up. Fingerprint resistant to olophobic coding and support for display of multiple languages and characters. Got the A15 Bionic chip. Boop. I guess just transfer that. Yeah, fuck it. Transfer it via phone to phone, right? Phone to phone, baby. Got a new 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores. A new 5-core GPU. Ooh, new 16-core neural engine. I don't even know what that means. The camera comes with Pro 12 MB camera system, telephoto wide and ultra wide cameras. Telephoto's got a 2.8 aperture, wide's got a 1.5 aperture, and ultra wide's got a 1.8 aperture and a 120 degree field of view. That's insane. It keeps locking on me because I'm not paying attention. Night mode portraits enabled by LiDAR scanner. Digital zoom up to 15 times. 3 times optical zoom in, 2 times optical zoom out. 6 times optical zoom range. Got portrait lighting with 6 effects. Natural, studio, contour, stage mono, and high key mono. Continue. This screen looks... Yeah, this screen is some crazy definition right now, dude. Honestly. Sorry. It took me hell to get this phone, by the way. I spent the last 2 to 3 hours at a FedEx site trying to get this phone going. So that's still processing. Like, it looks like it's paper. Set up later. I'm not setting up the wallet thing. Video recording. It can do 4K video recording at 24, 25, 30, or 60 FPS. It's got HDR video recording with Dolby Vision up to 4K at 60 FPS. Not now. I'll do the thing later. Transfer data. There we go. Got cinematic mode for recording videos with shallow depth of field. Should move this onto the other screen so it looks like I'm looking at you guys. Got an Animoji and Memoji, night mode, deep fusion, smart HDR4, photographic styles, Apple Pro RAW. You know how we like RAW here. Cinematic mode for recording videos with shallow depth of field, HDR video recording with Dolby Vision. I already said that before. 1080 video recording at 10, 25, or 30, 25, 30, 60. Pre-res video recording up to 4K at 30 FPS, 1080 at FPS for 128 gigabyte storage. One. Slow-mo video support for 1080p at 120 FPS. Time-lapse video with stabilization. Night mode time-lapse cinematic video stabilization at 4K, 1080, and 720p. Quick take video, wide color capture for photos and live photos. Lens correction, retina flash, auto image stabilization, and burst mode. Obviously got Face ID, Apple Card. And this does come with... Ooh, that's a good one. What model is this? Where do you find the model on this thing? Isn't it usually written on it? No. Point is, it comes with 5G NR. So I will be using all the bands. All models at least get 5G sub 6 gigahertz and MW-Wave gigabit LTE with 4x4 MIMO and LAA. Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax with 2x2 MIMO. Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology, ultra wideband chip for spatial awareness, NFC with reader mode, and express cards with power reserve. Whew. That's a lot of specs to read through, guys. It's got FaceTime, it's got audio calling, voice isolation, and wide spectrum microphone modes. Ooh, that's interesting. Audio playback, it's got all the good shit. The video playback got all that good shit. multiple built-in microphones all over the bottom and a built-in stereo speaker. MagSafe wireless charging up to 15 watts. QI wireless charging up to 7.5 watts. Charging via USB to computer system or power adapter. Fast charge cable up to 50% charge in about 30 minutes. With 20-watt adapter or Hi-Vol available separately. What do we got? We got up to 22 hours of video playback on the battery. 28 hours. Up to 20 hours streamed video playback. And up to 75 of audio playback. MagSafe, obviously. It's got MagSafe charging. It's got the Face ID, the LDAR scanner, the barometer, the 3-axis gyro, the accelerometer. The accelerometer? I don't know what that is. Proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, iOS 15. It's got all the good stuff. It's got all the built-in apps, all the good stuff, baby. Dual SIM card support, dual eSIM support. Rating for hearing aids, M3T4. Obviously, you can do the male attachments, system requirements, environmental requirements, language requirements. It's just a language. And something about iPhone and the environments. That's pretty much all the tech stats we can go through, and it's almost done. It's got about a minute left of setting up personally. That's what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut to me filming with the new camera, because the camera is really what we're here for. Let's bring on for now. What color is this? I got the graphite? I thought I got the Sierra Blue. I think they sent me... I think they gave me the right model. I think they gave me the wrong color. Ain't that a son bitch? I'm pretty sure I said the blue. That's alright. It's very pretty. So yeah, I will end this this one here. We'll do a quick clap for sync. I'm just kidding. I'm doing the clap because I want to do the clap. I'm giving the clap because I got the clap. But I'm going to clap away and you guys will see me on the iPhone now. All right. See you guys in a second. Woo! Hey everyone. We're back on the iPhone. We're back on the iPhone 13 Pro. And as you can see already, I did turn on my ring light over there. But, you know, I can walk over here if you guys like. But already, much improvement in the camera quality. I mean, look at this. It adapted to that lighting sense. And, you know, I'm not pixely or anything like that or anything crazy. Looks great, actually. And let's swap over to the background and get some cat graphics. Thank you guys so much for sticking through, and I hope this helped you guys look at the new iPhone and everything a little bit. Flip this for the lighting. Oh, so crisp, so clean. Have a great one. Don't forget to follow and like. Ugh.